Good morning, 9:17, May 18th, UK time. How you guys doing? Yeah, Bitcoin's doing all right, isn't it? Oh yes, 45,359. Let's have a quick peekaboo. Still under 18, but it's getting close on the 4-hour candles. Lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. But is this a higher high? Let's have a look. 45,854. 45,872. Okay, so we're definitely in a neutral trend. The bear trend has been negated for now. So let's close above the 18. Maybe pop up here, may form a new higher low, and now we're in business. Right, now we're in business. Let's look on the daily. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. So here's 50k, 18-day average, still way up there, 53,179. Yeah, so yesterday I was caught a bit of Tony Robbins. He was talking to Jeffrey Gundlach, a famous hedge fund manager. $160 billion AUM. $160 billion AUM. And he was, obviously the main concern for all these guys managing money is inflation and the incessant wave of dollars coming from the Fed, right? And interestingly enough, he was open to Bitcoin. I think he owns a little bit, but he was advocating as BTC as an insurance policy. And he even suggested up to 5% of a portfolio should potentially should have BTC exposure. So what's that? That's $8 billion potentially he's willing to commit to Bitcoin, right? I think that's a lot more than Elon Musk. So, how would he get exposure? So, maybe through GBTC, maybe some from futures, maybe actual some of the coins itself. If he has a trusted custodian because he's managing other people's money, right? So, he needs custodial services, right? Insured products. Even though if you have your own keys, that's kind of your own insurance. But again, he would need some service, some custodian, right? How are we doing on the hourly? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, some sort of double bottom. Could even draw a cup and handle, but looking good. I think the fear is kind of bleeding out now. It's been a long bleed out. What is it? May 10th? About a week. A good week. And all this is based on, well, almost a 3-month consolidation. And we're bouncing off this old important level 41. 41. Let's get this down. 41,802. So it makes sense. All kind of playing out. I wish they had the stock to flow on TradingView, but I'm sure the stock to flow has probably a good 6 months left of potential upside, right? So the stock to flow for this cycle is, I believe, over 100,000, 108,000. You guys can go on Twitter and look up 100 trillion USD. That's the handle for Plan B. I'm still kind of in Twitter in jail. Been in Twitter jail for a month. Yes, I was defending my community from external attacks, but that's the way it goes. It was a price worth paying. Worthy to note. Weekly momentum still positive. And how can it turn green? Well, let's see. Does it need to close above this moving average in this indicator? So this is all price action, right? this is not a. It's basically these candles converted into a more usable way. So, is the bull market dead? It doesn't look like it. See here in 2018, piercing below the zero line, kind of hanging around the zero line, and negative values, right? Negative, 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 and you got the final flush, and you got another double bottom, right? So yeah, looking okay. Looking okay. Boom. Should we do a monthly for fun? Do the monthly for fun on. Yeah, here we go. So you've got one doji, one huge down candle, an 18 monthly average way down here. Right, here we go. I still think we hit 100k. Obviously, my Memorial Day is kind of unlikely now. It will take a miracle. But the key thing to remember is the Fed, the central banks. 84 central banks around the globe continuing to print. And this is BTC divided by the M2 money supply. M2 money supply, which is around $20 trillion. So a market cap of one, was it around here? That BTC was one. That kind of makes a How do they come up with this number? 2.34, high of 3.34. Is that percentage? Yeah, it's got to be a percentage. So we do a quick calc. What did BTC reach at the top? So 65,000 times 18, was it 0.8 million? 18.8 million coins, roughly around that. So 1.2 trillion divided by, I think the number is 19.5 trillion. Billion, trillion. I got a ratio of 0.06% or 6.2%. Does that make sense? Yeah, kind of 6%. So maybe they're using a M2 of around 10 trillion. Anyway, the key is on the BTC's top of 2017 was 1.42. 1.42. So the question is, this was before a widespread institutional adoption or recognition of BTC as the global digital money standard, as it seems to be developing into. There wasn't hedge funds managers like Jeffrey Gundlach and Ray Dalio kind of appreciating what Bitcoin is now. So it's taken a few years for them to get on board. Taken them a few years, but credit to Elon. His platform has driven the market, right? His platform driven the market up from here to here. So let's see. Let's go to a daily. And this music is kind of bugging me out. I thought it would be a good mix, but it's not what I'm in the mood for. So let's dial that down. Yeah, so a lot of Head and Shoulder guys could have made some money. Definitely could have made some money on these like trend line breaks. Right? Draw trend line, pop. Draw trend line, pop. Draw trend line, pop. But this short plays are getting tired. And when a pattern emerges where easy money is being made, eventually that will kind of fail. So the market has a way of teaching you lessons. If people are gonna play a potential Head and Shoulders, another one, right? Ooh, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Trading, tough whole game. Shall we look at Ethereum? Let's look at Ethereum, shall we? And let's put on a slow stoke. Let's put on a slow stoke. It's looking too bad. Never really got to the oversold area. And already, wow. Already 3108, 3108. Wow. Almost, is that really true? About 16-70% off the low here in a day. It's a strong candle. This is interesting now. It's piqued my interest. This low, almost, I think it's almost lower than this close. 3283. It is lower than this close. Can we, ignoring the wicks, close above this high? Open, I mean. 3584. 3584. Yes, it can. It's got. Ooh, yes, you could do a bullish engulfing. A bullish engulfing to signal what? 5k. Maybe ETH does 5k this. What? When? Yeah, this month. DeFi is not dead. EIP is coming out. EIP 1559 is coming out in July. So big news events. People want to buy into news events and what? Sell on news. 5k May, end of June 7k. Don't rule it out, people. Don't rule it out. And I think at 8,000 we flip. So there's your altcoin summer frenzy right there, right? 8k we flip BTC, I believe. Let's do the quick math. Is it 115 million coins times 8,000? That's almost $1 trillion. 924 billion. So it seems very, very likely we see $1 trillion market cap on Ethereum. Okay, that was Litecoin. Litecoin's back over 300. Excellent. What was the low yesterday? 261. 261. It's already up over 20%. Boom. My LTC bull. And look, it's actually following this parabolic curve quite nicely, right? You must agree. I drew this back way back when. 700, 1,000, 2,000. When? Here? August. $2,000 Litecoin, August. I have not given up on this bull market. Hope you guys have not too. LTC, BTC. LTC, BTC. Boom. Let's do a line. Look at that. Still outperforming Bitcoin. All-time high on this little push, I believe. Not quite. We're close though. 0.007 LTC BTC. We're at 0.06799. Excellent stuff. And let's look at the bull position. I'm thinking I'm going to add at some point this week, and maybe go in with quite a big size. Currently, I think my size is whittled down on this position down to 90. Only 90. It's very small piece, but can I boost that up to 1,000? 500. 1,000 tokens. 1,000 tokens at sub $10, hopefully. 1,000 playing it up into the 60, this region, 60 to 180. Yeah, just start scaling out, right? That's kind of my play to have a good summer. That'll be just my play money for the summertime and probably last me a long time, right? Can play this, convert it back into LTC, and just have a long-term hodl position. What's that? $60,000, maybe divided by a Litecoin price of say 1,000. 60 Litecoins tucked away, just churning away for the next Litecoin halving, which is around 2023 over here. I can show you LTC, BTC. Where is it? Oh, where's my lines going? Where's my lines? I had the halvings. Where's it gone? There we go. Ah, it came back. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Auto. Next halving. It's in 2023. Is it August? Is it August? So this challenge of what? 002, 0025. Don't you think it's going to happen? It looks like it. Litecoin could be the millionaire maker for this altcoin season because it's got so much opportunity to play on a leverage margin. Don't go all nutso with it because my LTC bull position cannot be liquidated, right? It can go huge haircuts, but if you're going to play it right, you can see this move flipped. Boom. Boom. Could be a safer, easy way to sleep and still get a 10x, right? Right? That's why I'm kind of highlighting it. But do you, right? You do you. This is just play money for me. Just play money. Solano, Matic. These are the what? These are the layer 2s. These are the layer 2s for Ethereum. Rocking and rolling. Another break. 23, 20. Looks like it's going to hit 60, 65. Yeah, it's already there, right? Already there. Solano. Yeah. This is Sam Bankman Fried's project, right? We should have known once he got involved to get involved. Once he got involved, you should have got involved. When a guy, a founder who owns an exchange, promotes something, that's why you got to pay attention to what's going on in general crypto versus Matic. Wow, what a performer. 1.4 pennies up to $2. Again, you can't catch them all. You can't catch them all, right? ADA back over to 2. I believe I had a target of $2. I think I published it around here. Look at my ideas. I think it's true. I'm not going to look it up because my timer is ticking away. And another layer 2, I think it's Phantom. So they're all performing well because even though I just checked the Ethereum gas price and it wasn't too bad. I think it's $31 for a Uniswap swap right now on version 2. Okay, looking like a bull flag about to break. A Phantom. If you just do that. Boom. Boom. Where are we at? $1.39. We're at 63 cents, people. Oh boy, that looks a good move. Right, $1.40. That's not too bad. Not too bad. It's well over a double. Anyway, link dot. See, does it feel like the bull market is over? Wi-Fi is still up at 73,000. Okay, I should call it. My ticker is going. There's probably like a. Let's look at Shiba. Let's look at Shiba. Crypto. Can I get it in before? Yes. Shiba Inu. Is this correct? Must be the wrong token. Anyway, I'm out.